We have over 580 different bottles of alcohol that we have. You know, we have close to 45 to 50 different beers. We got a lot of things situated in the last couple of days. We now have online ordering. That was nice. It was nice to wake up to some orders and the guys that come in go, oh shit, like there's things happening. A little bit different. We have more orders already coming in right now than we had last week. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be kind of the same thing. See, there's an order right now that just comes up. It's almost like fucking like we're playing. We're in the casino right now, just like yeah, fucking all sevens. But yeah, so it's one of those right now. So we kept that on just so it's a kind of like a little morale boost, and that's another one. They're going to keep coming in. So it's a pretty cool little feeling. It's already printing out in the back, so we have it all too. So definitely, if you guys go on, it goes straight from your house to our kitchen right away. Boom, just like that. So it's nice, and we're able to do gift cards now online, and you can send them digitally to other people. So if you know if there's fans out there and they come down, you could definitely send it out to them if they're local. That way that they could do takeout and do these other things too with us as well. So so far it's been a pretty good run at it. Friday, Saturday this week again. Looking to potentially open up on Sunday. So by the time this goes out, we'll know what's going on. And then hopefully next week start a couple more days. If we can open up at that time and everything is okay socially wise, not like where they say, okay, we can now get away from social distancing. I think that April 19th should be our real St. Patty's Day that we can actually do. But if not, then we're obviously not going to do that. We're going to make sure that everybody's safe. And we're not going to be the spring breakers on the fucking beach for sure. Feels good to be back. I mean, Monday through Thursday, we're talking to each other, trying to figure out game plans, and it does feel a little sad and lonely during those days for sure. Wouldn't you say? Don't those days suck, Monday through Thursday?
We're trying to keep straight.
Yeah, and just they do suck a little bit, and then when we get here and it's like, oh, there's orders and everything else, like it starts like kind of speeding it up. So and getting us back to our norm. Because to be honest, like we do this because we like to do it. You can't be in this business and not like doing what you do. Because there's definitely some characters out there that we probably would not want to serve and have in our circle. But at the same time, the positives more than outweigh the bad. So we're gonna kind of bang at it. You'll have a little bit of like background of what we're doing today. Mike's pouring off cocktails, and we're just gonna have as much fun as possible. Today too as well. Stay clean, stay healthy, and stay safe. And that's about it. So have a good one, guys. Thank you. Let's do this shit.